Hey you guys, it's Epidemic here. So now that we've gotten the Greenwall working on both guilds, I wanted to take a quick couple minutes here and we're going to go over how to install Greenwall. It's not perfectly straightforward, but I promise it's a simple process. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and we'll be done in just a few minutes. There's actually two ways to do it and I'm going to go over both ways. The first way is by far the easier one, and that's if you already have CurseForge installed and that's what you use to get your add-ons for WoW. I highly recommend just using CurseForge. I've been doing it for years. It's crazy easy. Definitely recommend. Alright, so with CurseForge open, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come up here to where it says Mod Classic, and you're going to click this drop down here with a left click. And then you're going to click on Classic, left click again, and you're going to click on Browse. Now from here, you're going to type in Greenwall, Greenwall, all one word, hit enter, and you're going to see it here, and you'll just click install. It'll do its thing. Now, once it's installed, go over here to my add-ons, and you'll see it listed here. It's really that easy to get it installed. Now, the only thing that we need to do is we just need to move this from our anniversary WoW folder to our Mod Classic WoW folder. And so what we're going to do now is from the WoW launcher, there's going to be this little clog wheel here next to play. You're going to left click on this. It'll pull up this window. You'll left click on show and explore. And you're going to see these here. So these are all your WoW folders. Don't get scared. Don't be nervous. We're just going to copy and paste one thing to one place. And it's very, very easy. I promise you. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to double left click on Classic Era. Once we're here, we're going to double left click on Interface. And then again, we are going to double left click on Add-ons. And these are going to be all the add-ons that you have installed on WoW Classic. We're going to scroll through this list until we find Greenwall. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to right click it this time. So right click, and you're going to click on cut with your left click. So again, right click on Greenwall, left click on cut. Then you're going to go up here to this arrow on the top left, left click it, left click it, left click it until you're back on this screen here. And then you're going to double left click on Classic. You will double left click on Interface. And you will double left click on Add-ons. Now we just need to paste Greenwall here into this add-on list. Now, what I don't want you to do is I don't want you to mouse over whatever folders you may or may not have in here. As you can see, I have a pretty full list. I do not want you to just randomly right click on one and click paste. Do not do this. And paste. You can't even do it perfect. Oh, yes, you can. Don't do that because you're going to paste it into the wrong place. What I want you to do is I want you to come over here to this open space. You'll left click it over here just to make sure it's selected. So left click, and then you will right click and you will click on paste. And it is going to paste the Greenwall folder here. And you're done. You've done everything that you need to do. You now have Greenwall on Mod Classic. You can close out of all of these windows that you have open, and you can now proceed to go into the game. Ooh, as a side note, I do recommend that you just have World of Warcraft closed while you're doing this. It's not technically necessary for you to have it closed. It's just easier that way. Just close World of Warcraft, take a couple of minutes to do this, and you'll be fine. Now, so we're all done. If you had CurseForge installed and you did it the super easy way, we're super done. Now, I'm going to be going over if you're a masochist and you hate life and you don't have CurseForge installed, how to manually download Greenwall. This way's a little bit more complicated, kind of, not really, but it's just not as easy, and I don't prefer it, and I wouldn't recommend it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find whatever browser you use For this example, I'm going to be using Edge. Normally, I don't use Edge. Don't flame me. Just using it for this because I don't normally use it. And you'll go to the CurseForge website, which is curseforge.com. You go over here. You're going to left click on World of Warcraft. You're going to see all these things in the search bar here. You're just going to type in Greenwall. Hit enter. You'll see it here. Left click download. Now it's going to try to bait you into download app now. Don't click on that. Just wait a second. It's actually counting down here. And then it's popped up here in the top right hand corner for me. It'll probably do the same for you if nothing pops up here. There's most likely an arrow here in the top right corner, something that indicates downloads. You left click on that. It'll show all of your downloads. What we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to extract this file. So we'll click on open. And we'll minimize the internet browser just so we can see it. All right. So once you find your downloads folder and wherever you have Greenwall currently, you can tell that this one is still compressed two ways. One, if you look at the little folder icon, it's got a zipper on it. And if you look over here at the type, it says compressed. We need to extract it. Most computers nowadays already have something pre-installed. Back in the day, you used to use something called 7-zip. From a modern computer, you will left click it. And now for me, it has all these options listed up here. You may need to right click it to see the proper options and click on extract all. Or you can just left click and click on extract all, but we just need to extract it one way or the other. So right click, extract all. It'll say select a destination and extract files. You can just hit extract. It's going to do it right here. All right, and now here we have it. So we have Greenwall. So what you're going to do now is just like we did before with the other method. You're going to right click it. You will click on cut. You can close all of these windows now. You come over here to your launcher. Left click on this cog. Show an explorer. Classic is the one that we're using, not Classic Era. We're using Classic. Double left click. Find interface. Double left click. Add-ons. Double left click again. And now we kind of have this empty space over here. This is where I want to paste this. So I'm clicking over here a couple of times, left click, then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click on paste. And there it is there, Greenwall. Now once again, we've done it the harder way, but this is an alternate method. If you don't want to install CurseForge, you can just download it manually from CurseForge and put it in here yourself. All right. And that's all you need to do. Now just open the game. Greenwall does everything else for you. We've already configured it. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to change anything. You'll just type in guild chat like normal, and your guild chat messages will go back and forth between the two guilds. So yeah, thanks for watching. Again, it's been Epidemic. It is a pleasure to help you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in game.